Welcome to our channel, where we bring you quality videos daily to guide you through the world of products. Today, we're diving into the realm of single-serve coffee makers, exploring the best options out there to elevate your morning brew. Stay tuned for insightful reviews and comparisons that will help you find the perfect coffee companion. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert product recommendations and hit that like button if you find our content helpful. Number 1. Nespresso VertuoPlus. The Nespresso VertuoPlus by Breville delivers a dense, rich, and aromatic coffee. Our coffee had a foamy crema on top, and this single-serve coffee machine also brews espresso capsules, so you can make espresso, double espresso, and regular coffee. Coffee drinkers will love its compact design. It can live on your countertop or be easily stored if your space is limited. The motorized head opens with a light lift, and used coffee pods are ejected into a hidden container, saving you from burning your fingers. The reviewed office has been personally using this machine for several years, and it still performs just like new, delivering full-bodied, crema-topped coffees every time. If you're interested in lattes, cappuccinos or steamed milk in your coffee, a milk frother is available if you opt for a bundled package. We think this is the best coffee maker in the pod game. Number 2. Keurig K-Café Smart. The latest Keurig K-Café Smart is an upgrade to any previous Keurig we've tested. It comes with a well-performing milk frother, and the connected app guides you through any recipe you can think of, from iced coffee to mocha lattes. From the app, you can control the machine, adjust your brew settings, set schedules, and get reminders about cleaning. You can also shop for pods and accessories, making purchases directly through the app. In the Cafe Creations section, you can select a recipe for any kind of beverage you can think of, and get step-by-step directions. We also love how convenient the machine is to use overall. The water tank is a breeze to remove and refill, thanks to the provided handle, and the design is sleek and space-saving. Unfortunately, this machine doesn't come with a reusable pod, so if you're fussy about your coffee beans, you'll have to buy one separately. We also didn't love the espresso that came out of this machine. The shots were lacking any distinctive crema and that strong, espresso-like flavor. Number 3. Instant Dual Pod Plus. If your household is undecided on which pod coffee maker is best, i.e. the endless debate between Keurig and Nespresso, this machine might be the answer to your prayers. The Instant Dual Pod Plus coffee maker is compatible with an array of different pods, K-cups, Nespresso original capsules, instant compostable pods, and even a provided reusable pod, which can be filled with your go-to coffee grounds. During testing, we found that there's a lot to love about this machine, even beyond its obvious versatility. The coffee that we brewed in it was surprisingly rich and flavorful. We almost couldn't believe it had come from a pod. Nespresso shots came out with a delightful layer of crema, and Instant's compostable pods resulted in cups that were tasty and full-bodied, especially when pressing the bold button beforehand. We also love that this machine has a spacious water tank with 68 ounces, so we didn't have to refill it as often as with other machines. Number 4. Nespresso Vertuo Next. If you love the convenience and flavor that comes with Nespresso coffee machines, but are short on counter space, the Vertuo Next is a great option. This is the slimmest to come from Nespresso's line of coffee machines, with a small footprint and a variety of attractive colors to match any kitchen's palette. During testing, we loved how intuitive this machine was to use and how easy it was to upkeep. It can brew anything from a single espresso shot to a full cup of coffee and even an 18-ounce carafe. The Vertuo Next can be paired with the Nespresso app to notify you when it's time to fill the water tank, remove the used capsules, or run the descaling function. But the app doesn't allow for any remote functions, like brewing coffee from another room, for example. And we ran into a few other problems during testing, like the smaller than average water tank that calls for frequent refills. And a few long-term owners claim that the machine often develops functionality issues over time, which means that it may not be the longest lasting option on this list. Number 5. Instant Solo Single-Serve Coffee Maker. If you're looking for a simple single-serve pod coffee maker that won't take up a lot counter space but will deliver consistent results, the Instant Solo is for you. With an exceedingly straightforward control panel on the top, and easy-to-fill water reservoir, using this single-serve coffee maker is seamless. You can brew with traditional K-cups as well as Instant's own compostable pods. Best of all, the machine comes with an easy-to-use refillable pod so you can grind your own coffee for a premium experience. The control pad gives you the option to brew 8, 10, or 12 ounces, and if you prefer a stronger coffee, There's also a bold button to intensify the brew strength. Our only complaint is that the way this machine communicates is solely through a series of beeps. The tones to alert when brewing is complete are easy enough to recognize, but other trills, such as those for low water or cleaning needed, are a bit harder to decipher.